Innovation for waste minimization.
This video shows the options which are required for the Becca Clean to Recycle system, which eliminates the liquid waterborne waste stream when using the Becca Little Squirt paint gun cleaner. The entire system depends on the use of Becca water wave additive with microfilm protection and heated water as the cleaning solution. Two fluid disposal streams are created in the Clean to Recycle process. The first stream is the excess leftover paint that is not used in the paint application, and the first rinse in the cleaning procedure. The second fluid stream is the actual cleaning solution used in the paint gun cleaning process. The Clean to Recycle system has a little squirt, Becca water wave additive, an optional cleaning station with 3-gallon basin, splash pad, cleaning brush, and tray for cleaning tools. An optional air kit with compressed air lines connected to a blow-off gun with airflow control, and an air line to high-flow, corrosion-resistant quick disconnect with airflow control. It also has a 5-gallon standard electric heat system with hand pump for filling the little squirt. One 8-ounce bottle of water wave additive treats one 5-gallon container. The Clean to Recycle system options also include the offline clarification system, also referred to as flocculation. It has 3 containers, one for the actual clarification, one for filtering with dual filters, and one for holding the clearer fluid at the end of the process. This kit also has a bubbler for agitating the fluid and a starter kit of clarifier powder in convenient tea bags that melt in water. The final option that makes up the system is the proprietary H2O dry kit. It has a 5-gallon container and specially designed funnel, along with 3 disposable liners, 3 disposable stir sticks, and 6 bottles of H2O dry compound. This is enough to dry 3 2.5-gallon batches of waste paint. Both the H2O dry and clarification process have descriptive videos at www.beccainc.com.
Innovation for waste minimization.